Hello friends, you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pawar Party All Rounder. My name is SS Pawar. I am an ex-serviceman from the army. I hail from a picturesque region of Uttarakhand. Dear friend, I hope you all are hale and hearty. Friends, like always today also I have come along with my wife for walking in this forest, and it is 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun is also rising in full, and I am also early riser. If I talk about my routine, I wake up at 4:30 a.m. and first of all I drink 2 glasses of lukewarm water. After defecation and taking bath, I worship in my puja ghar, and after that I sit with my wife and have a cup of tea. Then we both come to this forest for morning walk, yoga and meditation. Dear friend, as far as the weather of Uttarakhand is concerned, these days it has been raining heavily for you can say 1 week, and weather has become very pleasant. There is greenery everywhere all around due to rain. Whereas in this month of June, forest fires were seen everywhere. But due to untimely raining, the weather has become very appealing, and I am extremely fascinated with this weather. Yes, friends, whatever may be the case, life of our Uttarakhand is very fascinating on natural basis. Yes, friends, as you know, sometimes I make Hindi vlogs and sometimes in English because I am a beginner and I have been learning English for 6 or 7 months. But due to lack of consistency, I have not been able to learn English that much yet. Dear friends, although I am an old man and you may be stunned that why I am learning English. But friends, uh, you know, age doesn't matter to learn anything. It is a time of social media. Every information are available, you can say, at social media, whether in Hindi or other several languages. So I suddenly pondered that I have to learn English so that I connect to the different type of people from not in India but from other countries as well. Therefore, I am restless to learn English quickly so that this audacity can change my bonus life. You know, it is morning and time is passing very fast, and right now we have to do yoga, meditation, some walking, exercise, and let's go for exercise. Dear friend, today I'm telling you a short story titled The Difference Between Learning and Wisdom. Yes, this is a very interesting story. If you like this story, please press like button and give some comments. A company once recruited two employees, equally competent and intelligent but from different backgrounds. While employee A was stylish, confident, and had graduated from the country's best institution, employee B was rather subdued yet sophisticated with no great qualifications to boast of other than a few years of experience. However, employee B was always considered the wiser of the two and often give better opportunities. Employee A was upset and asked the president of the company why he was considered less wise when he was definitely more learned than B. The president's answer made us understand the real perspective of life. Dear friend, on the waist of this story, two questions have been raised. Question number one: what was the president's answer? The president said, learning is acquired by reading books or listening to lectures. Wisdom is acquired by reading the books, that is you. And question number two: what is the implication of this story? The answer is acquiring knowledge by reading books and listening to lectures is passive and external. This is only borrowed stuff. Reading the book, that is you, involves the process of thinking, imagining, visualizing, deciding, etc. These processes are active and internal. They are original and creative. The world has been able to make scientific and technological progress only through the efforts of the people who could visualize and imagine. Imagination is more powerful than mere knowledge. Wisdom emerges out of the self knowledge. Reading the book, that is you, is not an easy task at all, for every minute of the day brings a new edition of the book. Dear friend, how did you like this story? If you like, please press like button and give some comments in comment section. Friends, now I end this blog here. Do comments on how you like this blog and how I need to improve my English. And those who not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe as well. And see you in next Hindi blog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.